right, it's Wednesday, the 14th. Welcome to another episode of Plumbing and Shit. My camera woman, again, nowhere to be found. I gotta fire her one day, but I can't find her. What we got here is a Freidrich 12,000 BTU heater and air conditioner. Not bad. Nicey nice. Got this thing for a really good price. And put it in the patio here. It's all windows here. Gets pretty hot in here. I had this little guy in there. This is a Freidrich as well. It's a Freidrich. You see it? You see it? This guy's only about 8,000 or 7,800 BTUs. And for this room with all the windows, that was not enough AC power to cool this room off. So we got a big boy, 12,000 BTU. That should do it. It is a 220 plug, one of those guys. I believe it says, 620 plug. Ran 12-3 wire, because that's what I had, even though you only need 2 conductors with this. You got 2 hots and a ground. The neutral is, you don't need the neutral, but I had 12-3. I had a good amount of 12-3. So put in this conduit here just to protect it from the UV through the wall there. Out to this other side. Got a little support here for the AC, because this thing's pretty heavy. It's a slide out unit, but I got the cabinet nice and supported. It's not going anywhere. It's really not putting any weight on that window at all. The 12 gauge wire is shielded there in a black poly pipe, again to protect it from UV ray. And we did a home run for this bad boy. Open the garage. Garage is relatively clean. Came all the way to this panel. Murray panel, bada bing, bada boom. And here's our breaker. Put the breaker in. 2 hots, red and black. Got the white in there, but the white is not tied to the neutral bus bar, and the ground is tied to the ground bar on this side. Neutral bar is on this side, but I just got that neutral wire nutted off in the panel there, just in case I ever change this outlet, and I got it wire nutted in that box there. So there she is. I'm going to paint that wood. Might even secure it to the concrete to make it a little bit more secure. But that wood is, I went ahead and drilled the cabinet to the wood. So the cabinet is not going to move away from the wood. Nice and secure. It's cross braced. Nice and sturdy. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. I've got some Home Depot sells 4x8 sheets of vinyl, 1/4-inch vinyl. I think it's smooth on one side and kind of like a wood paneling look on the other side, but it's solid vinyl, waterproof obviously. And I had bought that a while back. I don't have it here. I've got it by my parents' house. Actually for air conditioners, right? So basically, instead of using those louvers, I made custom panels to cover up the holes instead of using those floppy type louvers. So that came out good. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that, cover this hole up on the inside, on the outside, make it look nice and neat. Maybe put a little bit of insulation here on this side, just for the hell of it. Not that it's gonna do much. But this thing works pretty good. It's got a heat option. I think right now that's on the cool setting. It's on the cool setting. It does have heat setting, fan, and I guess you could also put the automatic. It does have a Wi-Fi setting. It's got a nice cleanable filter. That's the wire there, right on the inside to hide her a little bit. That's it. This is a Freidrich Kuhl. This unit is actually from 2013. I guess it sat in a warehouse for a very long time. When I got it, it actually still had the plastic up on top here and on the bottom. I don't think this unit was ever actually used. The fins were super clean, so I think it just sat around. Management company bought it, and I guess they never installed it. So that's it. Freidrich Kuhl Air, I think, is KUHL Air is what they call this unit. I guess it's their top of the line window / through the wall type of unit. And for 12,000 BTU AC, I mean, it's pretty big, man. It is pretty big. Actually, let's see if we could get a look at the inside of this unit. If you could get some, not sure that's going to come out there. There's the compressor. I guess it has a fully sealed or enclosed fan motor, which makes this thing a little bit quieter than a regular air conditioner or a comparable air conditioner. There you go. So there's the fan motor, and I guess it's got a whole insulated fan box there. Obviously, Freidrich top of the line in general as far as window ACs go, or through the wall ACs. So pretty solid unit. I'm happy with it. So now we've got heat and AC inside the patio, and that'll give us the opportunity to use this patio a little bit more, or enjoy the patio. In summer, obviously, we use it, but it gets pretty hot in here, so I guess this will make it a little nicer. Costs a little bit more money. Gotta run the AC, gotta run that electric. But I guess it'll be a little bit more enjoyable. And that heat, this thing, I guess, being a 220 unit, not that big of a deal. I believe it only uses about 1,200 watts for AC, but on the heat mode, it's straight electric heat. It's not a heat pump. So that, I think it's pushing about 3,000 or upwards of 3,500 watts on full power on the heat mode. So if I remember correctly, I think the panel said about 15.8 or 16.4 watts, depending if you got 208 or 230 power. So that's that. I mean, putting in one of these outlets is pretty easy. Actually, I'm pretty happy with the way this came out. That outdoor box, super nice, secured to the wall. I like these little connection here, so that way you don't have to fiddle around with those. I think I like that a little bit better than the red dot box. Got the cover, nicely secured, so pretty sturdy. And again, that's just regular Romex inside there. Really more for UV protection and to protect the wire. It does not have any, I don't have anything on the inside of the garage as far as it's not running in conduit on the inside of the garage. So that's that. Not much else to really report. Just wanted to throw up a quick video. These are pretty solid units. Definitely heated up, tested it, heated it up no problem, but it was only about 50 degrees out or so. So we'll see once the temperature kicks down a little bit further how well the heating element works, but I think it should be fine. It's again rated at 12,000 BTUs of heat, so it should be good or good enough, right? It's not livable space here. This is just really to take the chill off the room, so that way you could enjoy it a little bit more in here. That's that. We're at 10 minutes. Fig tree did all right this year. Picked plenty of figs, more than I needed, so that was good. Shed still standing. The lawn looks good. Everything's good. We'll see you next time.